Hey guys, if you would like to see or learn how to make that picture, that was a cell phone image. If you would like to learn how to take that picture and turn it into that painting, which is a combination of that picture and that painting, then you should probably subscribe to my channel. I can show you, if there's enough interest, how to create that picture using only 3 colors plus white. And I can show you how to make that sky with nothing more than your pointer finger doing a little swooshy whooshy on the canvas and creating atmospheric light. If you have any interest in doing that, subscribe to my channel and give me a like, and hopefully eventually I will get up to about 1,000 viewers and be able to make more videos like this. So that's all I got.